Let's check out the notation system. We use a combination of letters and numbers for the different sounds on the handpan. For the central note, we use the letter D. D stands for doom, which is how you can vocalize this sound. You will see black and green symbols in the notation. And we use black for all the sounds that you play with the right hand and green for the sounds that are played with the left hand. The high accent, tak, is played on both sides of the central note. We use two different letters for the sound, T and K, and they both stand for the same stroke. The reason that we use two letters is that when speaking fast tucks, instead of speaking tuck, 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 it's much easier to speak tuck, 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 tuck. It's just more natural and more efficient to speak it like that, to vocalize it like that. And that is really the only reason that we use two different symbols for the same sound, that it makes speaking the rhythms easier and more natural. On the instrument, often the T's are played with the right hand and the K's with the left, but it doesn't have to be that way. Always refer to the color when you want to figure out which stroke is played with which hand. Okay, for the tone fields, we use numbers, starting with 1 for the lowest note, the lowest tone field, and then counting upwards in a zigzag movement, following the scale.
加视频中的微信，可以咨询和获得本视频课程的高清完整版。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finally, we have the slap, for which we use this symbol, which I think is called caret. Later in the course, you will often see little dots between the symbols. These are ghost notes, which are soft touches played between notes and accents. Also here, you will always see which hand is playing which note by checking the color. Now all these symbols are notated in the notation table. Above the table, you will see the beats of whichever time signature we are playing in. For example, in 4/4, you will see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, because every bar, every cycle, has 4 beats. And finally, there is the orange bar. And the orange bar will always show you what is currently being played or what I refer to in my explanations.